Hey, it's Mike. Welcome to the morning market update. As you can see, the pre-market is down, but that's after kind of an incredible run-up we had in the S&P on Friday. So I think this selling is kind of expected. I think this is actually going to be a nice buy the dip opportunity because the market's going to want to, I believe, move higher. This being the last week of March, we're going to be moving into April, which is historically a very, very strong time for equities. We go ahead and take a look at what the NASDAQ is doing right now. And you can see the NASDAQ is also down by a little less than 0.5%. Like I said, I do expect the markets to open in the red, but to possibly find some dip buying and find some momentum higher. Maybe not a huge day because we already had a huge day on Friday, but I think just the momentum is going to be on the buy side. And let's go ahead and take a look at the Russell 2000. That's the small cap index. You see that one's down by 1%. This one, it looks like the small caps may have a little trouble here, maybe not leading the way. I think the lead will come from the S&P 500, but that's okay because I do think when the market really begins to take off in April, small caps will begin to lead the way. But if you're going to buy small caps, just be really selective as what you're going to pick, because if interest rates do begin to move up, that could be an issue for a lot of small cap companies that are dependent on cheap money to fund their operations. We could go ahead and take a look at gold right now, and gold is lower by a little less than 0.5%. Gold has been doing, okay. It's been stabilized. I do think it'll be higher over the long term. If you want to buy gold, I think it's one of those things you just have to hold and not worry too much about where it's going to be headed from month to month. And then actually, oil is actually in pretty good shape. It's only down less than 30%. It was up over 4% on Friday. It's up at like $61. I think probably one of the things that pushed it up even more was we had that blockage in the Suez Canal, but that ship has been dislodged and it's floating. I think the Suez Canal is going to open up again. But also bear in mind, we're in the strong time of the year for oil. I do think it'll probably make another push upward to a new high before the end of May. And then by the end of May, the price of oil will probably settle down a bit. But it's something you may want to look at. There's some potential to move. However, I do think the big play for the month of April will be the S&P 500. And then also take a look at Bitcoin. I know some people are into Bitcoin. I have investments in Bitcoin, and it is really taken off in the past couple of hours, up now at 57,200. You look here, just in the past couple of hours, it's moved up from 56,000 to over 57. It looks like it's going to make a charge at over 61,000 and try to hit a new high. So definitely take a look at that. Also, just want to show you a couple stocks here. I'm doing a comparison on Alcoa and U.S. Steel. Look what Alcoa did on Friday. It was up over 10%, and U.S. Steel was up even better, over 11%. Watch a lot of these commodity stocks. I think they're going to be doing well over the next decade, but in particular over the next couple of months as the economy reopens. There's going to be a lot of demand for a lot of this stuff. And a fun fact here, the one asset that's been performing better than Bitcoin is actually Iridium, the rare earth. It's up over 131% this year, while Bitcoin is up about 80% or so. So something to keep in mind. Unfortunately, I can't find a pure play on Iridium. There's no like Iridium ETF. But I'm going to keep doing some research here if I can find a stock or some sort of way to invest in Iridium. But just some simple facts about Iridium. It is worth 3 times the amount of gold. So it's very, very precious, very, very rare, very, very expensive. But like I said, I can't find a pure play on it. But if I do, I will definitely let you know. Okay, so just to recap here, the S&P 500 had a strong day on Friday. It's giving back a little bit, but I expect that investors will buy the dip, and we should have a pretty good day in the markets. I will do more updates. I will post them in writing up in my posts on YouTube and on Discord. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, stock trading strategies, and market updates. Thanks a lot. Bye.